Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to class 3. I am Sangeeta teacher. I will teach you mathematics. Today I will start chapter 1. The topic is where to look from. In this chapter we will learn how we look an object differently from different angles. For example, let us take a picture of a cap. Looking a cap, we have pictures of a cap from 3 different sides or angles. Looking a cap from top. The cap looks like this when we look it from top. Looking a cap from front. The cap looks like this when we look it from front. Looking a cap from side. The cap looks like this when we look it from side. Looking a bus. Let us now take a second example. We will now look a bus from 3 angles. That means we will look the bus from top, front and side. Looking the bus from top. The bus looks like this from the top. Looking the bus from the front. The bus looks like this from the front. Looking the bus from the side. The bus looks like this from the side. From this example of cap and bus, I hope you have understood the idea of top view, front view and side view. Now, to give you clearer idea, let us take a third example of book. In the part 1 of this lesson, we were discussing looking objects from different angles. We took the example of cap and bus. Today we take third example of looking a book. Now let us take the example of a book. As we have seen in the example of cap and bus, we will look the book from top, front and side. Looking the book. First, that is top view. Second, front view. Third, side view. Now, you can try to find the view of these pictures. The car has side view, dog front view and bag side view. Now, view of object is over. Now, we will learn about dots and patterns. We can join dots, number 1, by drawing straight lines. Number 2, by drawing bent or curved lines. And draw different patterns. Let us see how. Now here dots and patterns. There are so many dots in this paper. We have joined the dots by drawing straight lines. In this picture, we have joined dots by curved lines. We have drawn square and rectangle by joining dots. Here in this slide, we have drawn boat, leaf and star by joining dots. In your book, there are many exercises given on dots and patterns. These are very interesting and you can draw them playfully. Today we will learn about mirror half. Let us see next what does it mean. Let us see the picture below. It is half of the face of a rabbit. Now we place a mirror beside this face and get the full face of the rabbit. See the picture. The image of the half face in the mirror is mirror half. Now the picture of a half butterfly. On the right side, the image of the butterfly is the mirror half. Now half apple. Mirror half of apple. Now see the following picture. This is the picture of a half cup. Is this mirror half of the cup? No. Why? Because the cup actually does not look like this. We learn from these examples that when an object is halved, by cutting it through its center line, then we get two equal parts. These two equal parts are symmetrical. The two symmetrical parts are mirror half of each other. So, we can now say that mirror half makes the half picture full. You can do the experiment at home with the help of your parents. You need a picture on a paper, a scissor and a mirror. So, we learned from this chapter, number 1, an object looks in different shape and size when we look it from different angles. Number 2, we can draw different patterns by joining dots. Number 3, mirror half of a picture. Now, I have given some diagrams of mirror half from workbook. I have drawn, for example, the mirror half of B, K, hike. In the similar way, you have to do the others. I am repeating, I have drawn, for example, the mirror half of B, K, hike. In the similar way, you have to do the others. First, you have to draw A, next B, I have drawn, next C, next H, next K, next U, next M, next dice, next how, next hike, next wax, next book, and last one is cooked. Now, in this exercise, there are some pictures given. You have to find out which picture shows symmetry and put tick, that means right, for that, and which picture does not show symmetry and put cross for that. I have done first, second, that both are symmetrical, third, fourth does not show symmetry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 you will do at home. 12 I have done, that has symmetry. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24 you will do at home. In this exercise, again there are many pictures. Some of them have symmetry and some do not. Here, to draw a dotted line to divide the symmetrical pictures into two mirror halves and put cross for the pictures which are not symmetrical. I am repeating here, to draw a dotted line to divide the symmetrical pictures into two mirror halves and put cross for the pictures which are not symmetrical. First, second and third are symmetrical. I have done for you. 8th also I have done. 8 and 14 are not symmetrical. There are some MCQs which I have solved for you. Learn them. Number 1. Which of the following letter can be divided into two similar mirror halves? Answer is C. C. Which of the second question, which of the following letter cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves? Answer is D. Letter is G. Number 3. Only the halves of the letters are given. Guess the word. The word is head. B. Number 4. In these ones, half picture is given. You have to find out the complete picture by drawing the mirror half. Here the answer is B. Number 5. Find out from where you have to look to see the thing in the following way. Answer is A. Side view. Now let's do homework. Here, front view, side view and top view of the objects are shown below. Draw the missing view in empty space. Here, side view and top view are given. You have to draw front view. Second, front view and side view are given. You have to draw top view. And third, top view and front view are given. You have to draw side view. Fourth, front view and side view are given. You have to draw top view. We have finished chapter 1 here. I hope you have all understood what I have taught. To summarize, this chapter teaches us that an object looks in different shape and size when we look it from different angle, and we can draw different patterns, joining dots, and lastly mirror half of a picture. There are some exercise of drawing patterns and mirror half in your workbook. Practice them at home. See you again in the next class with new lesson.